we'd already asked him for a day off. If he'd have just called in sick and not asked him,
Yeah.
he'd have probably been okay. So anyhow,
pretty good work. You think those presents were you, kitty? They're not for you.
You got cake, Lucy?
Oh, you're welcome.
I love the puppies.
Well, mix it up with the cats around the house.
Yeah.
See, I mean, you got a cat trying to smooth in on you right now.
Look here, Louie. Oh, Louie. Louie, look, Louie.
You're not hard to shop for as long as I have a cat on.
Really? You gonna mess with those flowers? Yeah, it's like she's wanting that vine.
She's like, I want to check this out.
Will she get in is the question. Oh.
Hey, girl.
Yep. Yes! She's in.
She's in it.
She jumped in the bag. No way. And she's rolling in it. Cats are weird. Mother's Day. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Chilling out, waiting to get some pedicures again. If you guys haven't followed along enough to know, about a year ago, almost to the day, I was getting a pedicure in the state of Florida. And we're only a little while away from going back to Florida, only this time it's my wife and I taking a little vacay. I do not know how I keep getting swindled into this, but it was a good idea, I think, this time, because we're getting ready to head to Disney World, and it would be a good idea to get them done. That way, when we go to do all the walking, I guess I'll have better walkable feet. Currently had to step out back and get a little air because all that nail polish is giving me a wicked headache. But we are just out enjoying Mother's Day and getting ready in preparations of our vacation. But I wanted to get my mom a nice cake and get her some flowers and get her some gifts to really celebrate who she is and what she's done for me. Thought I had some headphones in the car. I was really hoping to listen to an audiobook. Currently listening to this right here, and also ran out there to grab my wife's purse that she accidentally left in the car. But I was really hoping to have some headphones so I could kind of zone out, listen to a book, relax. But must have taken them in, which is the smarter move. You don't want to leave your headphones out in the car, right? So I'll just get a back massage and watch a Deal or No Deal instead. Those don't look good to me at all. Those little burgers dunked in cheese.
Oh,
Like, it's too much cheese, and I like cheese.
I like.
I'm so full. Time to change Mom's mailbox cover from the winter cardinals to the spring cats. We got her a set of these at the flea market in Amish country. I believe is where we picked these up at. Can't remember now. But cardinal birds for winter, cats because she's cat lady, crazy cat lady, you know. There we go. Nice. I'd like to get her a new mailbox in general. because this one's got some rust on it. Maybe come up here and try to buzz that off. But really, I think it'd be good just to get her something kind of cool or custom made. But I don't know how I'd go about doing that. And, you know, I've never bought a mailbox. I'm sure I could just buy it online, and a pole and all that. I have seen some custom ones in her park here. Yeah, if you guys are mailbox aficionados, drop a comment. In the meantime, I'm going to sit for a minute. And I suppose I'll eat a piece of that cake since we got it for her. It's the least I can do. It's been a pretty good day. It's not exactly Mother's Day yet, it's the day before. I've worked in food forever, but don't hire me to cut your cakes. Jeez. All right, guys, we're back home. Been home for a little bit now. And this weather, absolutely beautiful. And it kind of backfired on me. Check out those cool skulls. Yeah, as I was saying before I had a little moment there, I got distracted. I was originally going to do hamburgers, hot dogs, and stuff, a little cookout. And then this morning when I woke up, it was raining. And so with that being said, we decided to just go to Applebee's with my mom for Mother's Day. And kind of backfired because now it's gorgeous. Came in here looking for some grill cleaner, and I'm going to get that cleaned up. We're doing some laundry, just kind of taking it easy a little bit, doing some moderate cleaning, just trying to get it done. But right now I need oven cleaner. Got it. Good stuff. Yes, it says oven cleaner, but trust me guys, it's good for the grates, it's good for the grill. Yeah, it's really good for all that good stuff. I'm good for all that good stuff. Isn't it weird how it says you gotta be 18 to buy sparklers? But now in Ohio, it's 21. Is this a nationwide thing too? I'm not sure. 21 to buy cigarettes and alcohol, of course, but that's been that way for a while. I think it's nationwide, right? All across America. You know, I've never looked it up because I'm, well, old enough to buy cigarettes if I wanted to. Yuck. But, yeah, 18 to buy explosives. 21 to buy cigarettes and beer. Something don't sound right.
Oh, yeah, much better.
Get her clean. Go ahead and roast me. Go ahead. I've let it go too long. Too many grills already. I did scrub it with like a metal brush, but a deep clean was needed. And go ahead and roast me in the comments for it, I know. Let's come clean. The trick is I've got to take a little scratch pad here and go through each rung of the grill, or each grate. And it's time consuming, but it's coming done. And then I'm going to hose it down, scrub it more after I get it nice and wet. My grill parts are sunbathing. Took a couple attempts, but it's better than it was. We'll just leave it at that. Good job. Look at that. Nice. Got ourselves a birdhouse. I've had that now for a couple of years and never got to hang it up. Just never did it. That was a gift from Jeremy, my wife's stepbrother. Pretty cool. Ohio State theme. It'll go well with my new bird feeders once I get those set up. My wife's the real drill lady around here. I just look cool with it. Decided to bring our deck lights back in. Not that we're done with them. It's just landlord is going to be replacing some boards on the deck that are getting a little soft. So trying to do our part to help out. Gorgeous day out here though, guys. And I don't know if my cameras picked it up on any of my video shots here, but man, it is a true breath of fresh air to hear the neighbor kids out playing and enjoying the outdoors. I myself miss those days of just, playing outside on the swing, and definitely not one of those types of guys who wants to relive high school, but definitely miss those days when you just got with your buddies and you went and played, whether it be at the park, tossing the ball around, or maybe even a little bit of POW. You guys remember Prisoner of War, out in the woods with your buddies, get the fellas together. So it's great to hear the kids are still outside. It's refreshing, because we live in the digital age, as you can see. Got this little drill at Ollie's, and it was a pretty good bargain. The only thing now with this shed is they did us a great job, but now we are really filling it. Like, our last shed was so small, we didn't have the room, and it's already getting kind of cluttered to the point where it's like, oh man, I might have to really come in here and reorganize it, get more shelves, because you've got the grill table that's now holding those lights, bikes, camp chairs, a miscellaneous rack that we just filled with stuff for the moment, bird food, because I'm going to get my new feeders out eventually, mower, grill, boxes, and stuff that need to go to the recycling, and my other bird feeder, which I'll put out in the yard as well when I get it all set up. Madness.
You know the feeling? You're by yourself in the forest and you have the strange sensation you're not alone. Your heart starts pounding, and then a squirrel. The forest is the original home of this little creature who makes every walk through the woods an adventure. Lively, nimble-footed squirrels enchant young and older.
I thought he was going to try to get in the birdhouse, see if there was any food there. It's got like a piece of food. Huh. Yeah, it's got like food. Now, I don't know much about ants. I was never that kid with the ant farm, but since I really haven't been doing any scrolling today, trying to, cut that back, I've been watching the ants crawl up and down the rails of the deck. And I noticed that, like, when they come into each other, they, like, acknowledge each other, and then they pass by. It's like, hello, hello, or whatever. I don't know. It sounds real stupid, I know. So if you're an ant man, an ant lady, you know all about that, let me know.
Come down off this check, steal that puck off of McCarr, and this is when the energy starts going their way.
I so pale.
I so pale. You're on it.
Alright, you guys, we've just been hanging out watching a little hockey and a little television. My Flyers lost, so they are officially out of the Stanley Cup contention now. That was a bummer. I also forgot to wear my new Flyers hat for you guys, but I'll break it out one of these days. I just got one, and anyway, they lost, so that's probably reason why, is because I jinxed them. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, my mom. My wife was there. She just wasn't in the video. And hope you guys liked hanging out around the house with me. We'll catch you on the next one.